Recently, Amazon greatly reduced the commission that they're paying to their affiliates, leaving a lot of people unhappy. In this video, we're going to talk about some alternatives to the Amazon affiliate program. I'm Sean with SEO Sorcerer. Thanks for checking out my video. If you would go ahead and hit the thumbs up, subscribe, and ring the bell for me, I'd greatly appreciate it. So recently, Amazon greatly reduced their affiliate payouts. They reduced it in most industries, leaving a lot of people unhappy. There are a lot of affiliate websites out there that Amazon is their sole source of income. So when they cut the program's revenue payouts by more than half, obviously a lot of people were unhappy. So in this video, we're going to talk about some alternatives to the Amazon affiliate program. So the first type of affiliate program we're going to suggest as an alternative to Amazon are Best Buy, Walmart, and Target, the big box retail stores. These have very low affiliate payouts, but obviously they have name recognition. They have a lot of different products. That's what makes these great alternatives. They pay between 0.5% and 1%. So even though they don't offer the best affiliate commission payouts, they do offer the name recognition, and they do allow you to be an affiliate for just about any product in the world. So these are some affiliate programs you definitely need to add to the arsenal. All right, now we're going to get to a good one. The second affiliate program I'm going to recommend is Share a Sale. This is a great affiliate network with so many options. They have a lot of brand names. They have like Fanatics, the sports apparel program. They have Reebok, Sunbasket, Allbirds. There are just so many. They have literally hundreds, maybe even thousands of affiliate programs. For instance, Fanatics offers 15%. Reebok offers 7%. Those are just some examples. Some go even higher than that. Obviously, some are going to be lower. They do offer some great affiliate commissions. The third one is the eBay Partner Network. I know you're familiar with eBay, the website that sells everything. Now that Amazon Prime is not such a given, the 2-day shipping, it's made eBay a much more attractive option. That's always not going to be the case. Obviously the 2-day shipping will come back, but still, eBay has a ton of products. And the great news is they offer a very fair affiliate commission. They offer you 50 to 70% of what eBay makes, which if you've sold something on eBay, they really hack you. Like if you sell something for $100, you're giving up, around $30 to eBay. So that means your affiliate commission would be somewhere in the range of $20 to $25. That's very fair. And obviously they have a ton of products. So when you factor in the generous payouts, along with a variety of products on eBay, they're a great option as an affiliate network. All right, Aliexpress. I added this one in because I wanted to make sure I gave one option for people that don't have a website. You can get approved for the Aliexpress affiliate program without having a website. Some people, that alone will make them apply for it. If you've never been on the Aliexpress website, it's kind of comparable to Wish. Things can be very cheap. It can be shipped from China, unfortunately. Beware of that. You're not going to get it in 2 days, obviously. It comes from China. But there are items in the U.S. Like I said, very fair pricing, and a lot of times you get what you pay for. So, you might want to do some background research on their products before you start promoting it on your website where you're putting your name on the products. They have a very favorable commission. It ranges from 3 to 9% for their affiliate payouts. And if you don't have a website, this is a great one to get started with. There's a wealth of products, and as I said, they offer very fair commission payouts. All right, Clickbank. If you have a website where you can sell digital products, that means like ebooks, instructional guides, Clickbank is a great option. For instance, a product on Clickbank is VertShock, which is a product that guarantees your vertical to increase at least 9 to 15 inches. Sounds pretty incredible. I mean, who wouldn't want to dunk a basketball? If you had 9 to 15 inches, even I could probably dunk. Clickbank's definitely worth a look if you're interested in selling digital products. You can even base a website or a social media presence around one of these digital products. All right, so those were my top 5 alternatives to Amazon Affiliate Network. Some others that you might want to consider: Affiliax, Commission Junction, Flex Offers, Rakuten Affiliate Network, and Market Health, a great one if you're selling health products. And another option beyond all of these recommendations is to go out and find your own affiliate program. For instance, if there's a product in your niche that you're very, very confident in and would like to promote, then go out and contact them. Contact that company directly and see if they offer their own affiliate program. Also, I want to make sure, don't turn your back on Amazon just yet. Yeah, it sucks that their payouts dropped, but at the same time, there's nothing like Amazon. They literally do like half of the world's e-commerce. So if you send someone to Amazon, they might buy your product, they might buy 10 more products, and you're going to get affiliate commission for all of that. So you need to consider all of those things whenever you think about turning your back on Amazon. I know we're frustrated with them right now, but there's nothing like the Amazon affiliate program, so I'd stay on board, at least keep some links to them up on your website and keep that going. You never know, they could change their mind, they could turn their rates back. I wouldn't count on it, but you never know. Alright, so now you have no excuses. Let's get this going. This affiliate marketing, even if you don't have a website, you can get it going with Aliexpress. Again, this is Sean from SEO Sorcerer. If you liked the video, hit the thumbs up, go ahead and subscribe and ring the bell. Thanks for watching.